Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Seedling. Today we're going to talk about why fertilizers sometimes stop working, and what hidden soil problems may be affecting your plants. If you want healthier crops, greener plants, and bigger harvests, make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Tractor sparkles. 1. Soil nutrient imbalance. Using too much of one fertilizer can block plants from absorbing other important nutrients. Balanced feeding keeps plants healthy and strong. 2. Nutrient losses. Rain, erosion, and evaporation can wash nutrients away before roots absorb them. Proper watering and soil care help reduce losses. 3. Poor soil health. Hard, dry, or lifeless soil limits nutrient availability. Healthy soil rich in organic matter improves plant growth naturally. 4. Unsuitable soil pH. If soil is too acidic or too alkaline, plants cannot absorb nutrients efficiently. Correct pH levels are essential for better fertilizer results. 5. Wrong time or method. Applying fertilizer at the wrong time or in the wrong amount reduces effectiveness. Correct timing and dosage make a huge difference. 6. Weak root system. Damaged or weak roots struggle to absorb nutrients. Healthy roots are the foundation of strong and productive plants. 7. Excess chemicals. Overusing pesticides and herbicides can damage beneficial soil microbes. This weakens nutrient cycling and harms overall soil fertility. 8. Depleted soil over time. Continuous farming without restoring nutrients exhausts the soil. Crop rotation and compost help rebuild fertility and maintain yields. As you can see, fertilizer alone is not enough for healthy plants. Soil quality, watering, timing, and proper management all play a major role in successful plant growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss new gardening tips. Also, let us know in the comments what fertilizers or gardening methods you use in your garden. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Waving Hand Seedling.